5 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 175 degree is equals to 0. Now again same factorization formula, you can here use that cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 times cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. Okay. Now we take LHS. What is LHS here? Cos 55 degree plus cos 65 degree plus cos 170 degree, 75 degree is equals to, now we can take these two terms. The first term is this C should be greater than D, so therefore we take this first term, cos 65 degree plus cos 55 degree plus cos 175 degree. Now this is nothing but C and this nothing but D. So we can write 2 times cos C plus D divided by 2 means 65 degree plus 55 degree divided by 2 plus into C minus D means cos 65 degree minus 55 degree divided by 2. Now this cos 175 can be written as cos 180 degree minus 5 degree. Is it clear? You can write this as 175 can be written as 180 minus 5. This convert into 5 degree and we get here 5 degree cos 5 degree minus plus cancel, we get 0. So this cos 65 plus 55, how can I write? What is their addition? 5 plus 5 0, carry 1 6 6 120 divided by 2. Cos 65 minus 55 can be written as 10 degree divided by 2 plus cos 180 minus 5 means which quadrant? Second quadrant. This is a no transform. In second quadrant cos is negative, so therefore here this is nothing but minus cos 5 degree. Is it clear? Now this cos 120 can be written as 120 by 2 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, this is a cos 5 degree minus cos 5 degree. This cos 60, what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 into cos 5 degree minus cos 5 degree. Okay. Now this 1 by 2 cancel. What we get here? Cos 5 degree minus cos 5 degree. Cos 5 degree cancel. What we get? 0. This is a required RHS. Is it clear? Once again I repeating this, cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175 can be written as 0, their sum. So we use here factorization, cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 times cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. We take LHS, cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175. Now I take the first cos 65, cos 65 plus cos 55 plus cos 175. So 2 times cos C plus D means 65 plus 55 divided by 2 into cos 65 minus 55 divided by 2 plus cos 180 minus 5. This cos 65 plus 55 as their sum is 120 divided by 2 into cos 65 minus 55 10 by 2 minus this can be written as 175 180 minus 5 means there is a no transform. So which quadrant? Second quadrant. This cos is negative, so therefore minus cos 5 degree. This 120 divided by 2 is nothing but 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 cancel. Here cos 5 degree minus cos 5 degree. So plus cos 5 degree minus cos 5 degree cancel. We get 0. 0 is the required answer.